I don't know if you can hear that, but my car's gurgling. I think she's on her last legs. The bitch is gurgling. Yeah, she's in Gurgle Town. As much as I want to go and buy a Prado, I think we need to some other cars because there's a 4-month wait for a Prado. I don't think Mama has 4 months in her. I think she's going to cark it. I'm on the other side of town. I might just cross the West Gate and cark it on the West Gate and be that bitch that holds up traffic where you have to go 40 fucking kilometres for the entire time. 20 kilometres past and pre the breakdown. That's going to be me. I'm going to be that bitch. I'm usually the one that's like, ah, at that person. Can you hear it? It's gurgling.